What's going on?
Please, help me.
Okay, I will ask someone for help. There's been accident. He needs help.
Don't worry, I'll come right now.
Come on!
Oh yeah! Good job!
Bye.
Oh yeah!
Wow!
Come on!
Oh, come on!
Come on! You can do it!
Oh yeah!
Thank for your help. Goodbye.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Looks like something fun is about to go down at the coal mine. Stay tuned and subscribe to catch all the excitement. The train's rolling in to transport the coal, and soon those coals will be burning away, becoming valuable materials. We gotta stack them up until it's full!
Let's go.
Check out that train rolling! These coals will be delivered in no time! Oh no! Clear the tracks!
Do not listen to music while driving.
It's a terrible accident! Quick, let's call for help! Double trouble! What a crazy day! Fire truck team to the rescue! Time to put out the fire and lend a hand to these stranded vehicles!
Please help me get out of here.
I will call someone to help.
Fire truck's buddy is here! The handy crane truck. Only its strength can pull these vehicles back up. Teamwork in action.
It is difficult to rescue!
Come on, crane truck! Give it your all! You can do it!
Come on!
Wow.
Awesome! One train is up, two more
Thank
to
you.
go! Give it another go, buddy! We're cheering you on!
Come on! Yes!
Thank you.
Don't worry, buddy! We'll take care of your boo-boo! No music while on the road next time!
We need a bridge.
Okay!
Smart move! Another bridge will prevent other cars from smashing into the train. Safety upgrades for the win! This time, the track will go underneath these cars. Once again, brilliant idea! Side tracks to make sure trains stay clear of each other. Check check out our new railway system. Pretty awesome, huh? Not done yet! It's time for some cement too! Time to make our bridge so colorful, it'll outshine even the brightest rainbows! All set and done! Time to watch the cars cruise along our brand new railway system. That railway cross-section seems extremely dangerous. Subscribe and stay tuned to find out what will happen in this risky situation. Okay, whoever built those two cross-sections must be really clueless. Let's help the poor trains guys.
There was a serious accident.
Hulk is just trolling casual. Come on, man, maybe you can help them out.
Help me, please.
Okay.
Awesome! With Hulk's super strength, these cars will be up and running in no time. Thanks, Hulk!
Thank you, bro.
These cars are in a little pickle. They've lost their wheels too. Time for some quick fixes.
You're injured. Let me call a rescue vehicle. Come here. Someone needs help.
Take these cars to fix their boo-boos. Our trusty repair team is on the job.
Let's go.
Hope to see you soon. Be careful when racing, okay? Safety first.
I will build a bridge.
Hulk and the construction team are our heroes. Let's build a super strong bridge together. Sand is always a must-have material, ensuring a sturdy foundation.
Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah!
And look at those beautiful sand dunes! Now we can build railway tracks underneath so they won't collide. These colorful Lego bridges seem familiar? That's right! They're for our vibrant and sturdy bridge.
Okay, let's go.
Hurry up, trucks! Time is of the essence. Let's get this show on the road. And that makes a rainbow. Excellent choice, team. Our bridge is not only strong, but also a work of art.
Amazing!
Now that looks like improved railway tracks. Safe, smooth, and ready for the train journey.
perfect.
Let's see the results. The trains and cars are way happier now, cruising smoothly on our upgraded tracks and bridges.
Wow. Oh.
Look, a wide river with no bridge. How can we cross it? He is thinking.
Let me see.
It looks like he has a plan. But is it safe? Aha! He's placing a thin wooden plank as a bridge, but can it hold the weight?
I can do it.
OMG. Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
Oh no, the bridge is shaking. Weak bridges can be very dangerous. Help!
Oh no, what's going on? I have to go get help.
Crash! The truck falls into the river. Always
There's an
check a
accident
bridge's
by the river.
safety before crossing.
Okay, let's start.
Look, the rescue team is rushing in. Teamwork always helps solve problems faster. The crane lowers its hook, carefully lifting the truck out of the water.
Yahoo, thank you very much.
Success. But this time, we
Let's
need
fix
to
the
build a
bridge.
strong
Okay,
and
let's
sturdy
start.
bridge. Look, they're clearing the broken pieces of the old bridge. Always clean up before building something new. The dump truck is pouring sand while the hands spread it evenly. A strong foundation is the key to a lasting bridge. Oh, they're pouring cement. Cement helps bond materials together and makes the bridge stronger.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
The hands are placing each brick. A strong bridge is built from even the smallest bricks.
Always prioritize safety. Never cross bridges that do not meet safety standards.
Everyone is asleep. Let's go out. Why is there such a beautiful road in the forest? Oh well, I like it as long as it's beautiful. It's okay, I can do it. What's wrong? It must be the wind.
Come on, come on.
Oh my God!
Hello, cutie pie.
Where is he?
10 years later.
Wake up, team! What is happening?
I just got a signal. Green is down. Save him.
Let's go!
Go! Go! Go! Go!
Green, where are you? Save our friend. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Transform! Get out of my friend! Water blast, go!
Come on!
Hey! Hey!
Wait a minute!
Isn't he threatening you?
Looks like we misunderstood him. Do you want to take us somewhere?
Let's go!
Should we follow?
Just trust Green.
Go! 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 Go!
One hour later.
Bye, have a great time! Hey!
Wait a minute! You want to help us escape from the forest, right? Maybe because I stubbornly went down that dark and dangerous path.
Next time you can't skip out like that again.
Now let's go back. I'm hungry.
Oh my god!
So messy, let me clean it up. I've got an idea. Transform!
Oh yeah! Okay, here we go.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hey!
Come on! Go! 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 Go!
Meanwhile.
Help me, I'm stuck in the forest.
We have to save him right now. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Come on, come on!
Let's go!
5 minutes later.
Hey!
There you are, please help me.
Don't worry, let me pull you up.
Whoa! Come on, you can do it!
Go! 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 Let's do it together.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but there's so much trash here.
Come on, we'll help you clean the whole forest.
I'm ready.
Thank you.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hey! Let me fill it up before someone falls again! Haha, we can fill this hole easily.
Ten years later.
Let me smooth the way. All done. The forest looks so clean.
Let's keep our world clean like this together.
Let's go!
Hey!
Oh yeah!
For he's a jolly good man.